I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to check your transaction history on Webull, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Webull app. Launch the Webull app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to the menu. Once you're in the app, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will open up various options related to your account. Step 3. Select Account. In the menu, find and select the Account option. This will take you to a section where you can manage your account settings and view your transaction details. Step 4. Access transaction history. Within the Account section, look for Transaction History and tap on it. This will display a list of all your past transactions, including buys, sells, and dividends. Step 5. Filter your transactions. You can filter the transaction history by date or type to find specific transactions more easily. Just choose the filter options at the top of the transaction list. Remember, if you don't see your recent transactions, try refreshing the page while checking your internet connection. Happy trading!